Struggling to get that perfect rotisserie chicken on your Weber Kettle 22? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Onlyfire Multi-Purpose Rotisserie Kit. The Onlyfire Stainless Steel Multi-Purpose Rotisserie and Pizza Combo Kit caught my eye right away, especially with its price of $134.99. This kit not only lets you rotisserie but also bake pizza, which is fantastic for outdoor gatherings. If you want versatility in your grilling, this is worth a serious look. What makes this kit stand out is its 2-in-1 functionality. You can easily swap between rotisserie and pizza cooking, thanks to the included pizza stone and peel. The powerful 110V electric motor ensures an even cook, holding up to 20 pounds, which means you can rotate multiple chickens or a hefty roast without a hitch. Plus, the thermometer helps you monitor your cooking to perfection. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It gives you options for parties or family dinners, so you're not just grilling the same thing over and over. Now, some people complained about the setup process being a bit tricky due to the multiple components. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions carefully, it's manageable. If you're someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this slight learning curve shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to impress guests at your next barbecue. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as its price point is a bit higher than some others on this list. But if you value quality and versatility, I think it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something simpler, without compromising too much on quality. Product number 2, Onlyfire Rotisserie Ring Kit. Next up is the Onlyfire Stainless Steel Rotisserie Ring Kit, priced at $93.49. This caught my attention because it promises a tighter fit for better temperature control. If you want a straightforward rotisserie setup, this is worth a serious look. What really makes this kit shine is the powerful 110V electric motor that can handle up to 20 pounds. The 360-degree rotation is super important, as it ensures your chicken or roast cooks evenly and stays juicy. Plus, it's compatible with multiple grill brands, which adds flexibility. For you, that means no more worrying about uneven cooking or dry meat during your family gatherings. However, some users mentioned it doesn't fit as snugly as they hoped, causing minor heat loss. Now I'll be real with you, this could be an issue if you're very particular about temperature. But honestly, with a little creativity, you can seal the gap with aluminum foil if it becomes a problem. For most casual grillers, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a solid rotisserie option without too many frills. Skip this one if you need absolute precision in cooking temperatures. At this price, you're getting a quality product that does its job well. Now, if the previous product's fit issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, focusing on versatility. Product number 3, Onlyfire Rotisserie Ring Kit for 22-12-inch. Up next is another option from Onlyfire, the Rotisserie Ring Kit for Weber 22-12-inch at $89.99. This one's unique because it emphasizes heavy-duty construction. If you want something built to last, this is worth a serious look. This means you can rotisserie whole chickens or turkeys without worrying about the stability or cooking speed. For you, this translates into perfectly cooked meats that impress your family and friends without constant checking. However, there are some concerns about a slight gap between the ring and the grill. Now, some might find this annoying, but honestly, it's not a deal breaker. You could easily resolve it with some aluminum foil to minimize heat loss. If you're a meticulous griller, this could be a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, durable product that can withstand repeated use. Skip this one if you're looking for something that fits perfectly without any adjustments. At this price point, you're getting good value for a reliable rotisserie kit. Alright, let's keep rolling. The next product might be even better if you're focused on assembly ease. Product number 4, Onlyfire Stainless Steel Rotisserie Ring Kit. Moving on, we have the Onlyfire Stainless Steel Rotisserie Ring Kit, also priced at $93.49. I was drawn to this one because it combines strong materials with easy assembly. If you want a quick setup without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. The stainless steel construction means durability, plus it's compatible with various grill brands. For you, that means fewer worries about wear and tear and more focus on enjoying your grilled delights. However, some users pointed out the slight gap during fitting, which may lead to a bit of heat loss. Here's the thing, it's not a huge drawback as you can manage it with aluminum foil if needed. If you're someone who likes everything to be just right, this might require minor adjustments. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quick assembly without compromising on quality. Skip this one if you can't handle a little tweaking. Considering its features, it offers solid value for the money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flexibility in terms of fit, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, Onlyfire Universal Rotisserie Ring Kit. Finally, we have the Onlyfire Universal High Temp Resistance Black Coated Steel Rotisserie Ring Kit, priced at $89.99. This caught my eye because it promises a tighter fit and better temperature control. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It fits a range of kettle grill sizes and holds up to 20 pounds. The one-piece spit enhances strength, making it easier to manage larger cuts of meat. For you, this means less hassle and more perfect roasts that can feed a crowd. However, some users mentioned assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. If you're someone who isn't a fan of complicated setups, this might test your patience a little. This is perfect for you if you want solid performance without a huge price tag. Skip this one if you need something that's quick and easy to set up right out of the box. For the features it offers, it's a great value. Alright, let's wrap this up and compare these fantastic options. So we've looked at some solid options today. The Onlyfire Multi-Purpose Kit for versatility, the Rotisserie Ring for tighter fits, a heavy-duty Rotisserie Ring for durability, a quick assembly Rotisserie Kit, and the Universal Kit for reliability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Onlyfire Multi-Purpose Kit because of its versatility and ease of use in various cooking styles. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.